Alright, so we're going to do a quick review of this exercise equipment. It's called the THERACK. I received a few emails about this exercise equipment while I was using it in some of my videos. I made a review maybe years ago about the product. Just want to make a new updated version of it. This thing's called the THERACK. Now, a lot of people make fun of it, say that it looks like a walker, and it actually does kind of look like a walker. But it's a very effective training tool. One of the best built that I've seen. It's made of solid steel, high quality, and I own 4 of them, and I haven't had any problems with any of them. They work very well. If you take care of it, it should last a lifetime. I like this product because it's built simple, and you can do so many different exercises with it. Be aware that there's 2 different versions. There's a 30-pound version, which is this one, and then there's a lighter version, which is 23 pounds. Maybe the 23-pound version might be good for women, and then this one definitely is good for the men. Obviously, the 23-pound version is going to cost less. 23-pound version might cost $100. The 30-pound version might cost about $150. They used to have a website dedicated specifically for this rack, but for some reason I can't really find that website anymore. But I have found this on Amazon before, so you could log onto Amazon, type in the rack like workout station, and you'll find this right here. There's a lot of different things you could do with it. You could intensify a lot of different exercises. What I like about it is you're pretty much just using your body weight, and then this also just kind of adds a little bit more resistance. You can do a lot of different things. Alright, I just make some very quick demos of some things you can do. One of the most basic things you can do is a dip. You just kind of stand right here. You do a dip. You can do knee raises. You can do an L hold. You can do like running abs. Okay. You could lift this up like this. Do some curls with it. You can push it up, work your shoulders like that. You can even bring it out like this and work the shoulders like that. Sometimes I like to work my lower back by just putting it back here and just kind of bending and coming up. Okay, you can work the lower back like that. You can work your biceps and shoulders by bringing it up like this. You could curl it with one arm to put more resistance on one arm, so it's basically like almost like curling like a 30-pound dumbbell like this. You can lift it up with one arm, which is pretty much doing like 30-pound dumbbell with one arm. Okay. You can work the back simply like this, legs out. You can work the back like this. Okay. You can also work the back like this, just like here, these rows. You can work modified dips like this for people that can't do the basic dip. You can do it like that. You can do it here. You can do push-ups. You can put your hands, or you can put your feet on the thing and do elevated push-ups like that. Or you could use this right here to do push-ups on here. There's different grips. Like you could do an inside grip here. You could do a mid-range grip here. And do an outside range grip here. And you can just keep switching from push-up to push-up as you come up and down. Okay. You could also put it over your shoulders here. Do squats. You can do jumping squats. You can do lunges. And you can do jumping lunges like this. You can even use it to stretch like this. Stretch to the side. Stretch to the side. You can use it as balance as you kick. I mean, you can just be very creative with this thing. Do so many different things with it, you know. So I really like the exercise equipment. It's something that it also like collapse, where you can kind of move it like this so then you can make it so you can store it easier. The other side could do that as well. And then there's wheels on here. I don't use those, but you could basically lay it onto the ground and just start doing like some ab exercises with this thing rolling forward. Kind of like what the wheel does. You can kind of do with this, but I don't ever use it for that. But you know, just be creative. A lot of different things you could do. You know, it's called THERACK. Right now it's probably running for like about $150 on Amazon. You check it out on Amazon if you like. Maybe you might even find it on eBay. But just check it out. You know, those people that like to work out at home, this is an amazing exercise tool that I do highly recommend. And it's highly durable, lasts a very long time, if not your whole lifetime. And it's definitely approved by FMK. So hopefully you got a little bit out of this product review.